Hi, it's Sheri. Welcome to the Tello App camera view video. The camera view screen is the main screen of the Tello app. It appears once the aircraft is connected to your mobile device or controller. In this video, we'll take a quick trip around the camera view screen and preview the features and functions of each icon. Later videos will cover the features and functions of the icons in more detail. Let's begin in the top right corner. The first icon with the circle and arrow is the auto takeoff and landing icon. You tap this icon to initiate the auto takeoff and to initiate the auto landing when the aircraft is in flight. The next icon is the intelligent flight mode icon. When you tap this icon, it will give you access to the intelligent flight modes. And again, we'll cover all of these in more details in future videos. The gear wheel or settings icon will allow you to access the setting controls for flight speed, connect to external devices like VR headsets or Bluetooth remote controls. It'll also let you set controls for your Wi-Fi and much more, which we will cover in the settings video.